We've got a house that checks a lot of potential boxes. First-time home buyer, investor, or maybe you just want to downsize. 24859 Nueva Vista in Laguna Niguel might be the home for you. It's definitely home to check out. Let's take a look. I especially like the master bathroom remodel that they just did a couple of months ago. They really made the space perfect for your living needs. New shower, new vanities, new flooring, new lighting, all of that. This is one of my favorite spots of this home. For viewing 24859 Nueva Vista in Laguna Niguel. For further information or to schedule your own private showing, call the number on your screen. I'm Jim with the Bishop team, your leading realtors here in Laguna Niguel, California.